Hi everyone, it's Don from Crux Demiratus, and I'm doing Digital Camo on a Thunderbolt, which is a rescue a wreck. It's a model that I got a while back. It's been sat for a while. It was dropped off a bookshelf. It is an original Forgeworld one, but it was in pretty poor nick, and obviously I didn't particularly enjoy the paint scheme, so I prime it black, and I was challenged by my friend, Hello Spike, to do an orange, white and blue colour scheme to match my Souls army. So I grabbed some 1mm Tamiya paper. It was £8 from Hobbycraft. And then I basically cut out lots of Tetris type shapes and put them on the white. And that's going to give me obviously the base layer of the white colour. Then I'm going to paint the orange colour over the white. And then I'm going to apply more Tetris shapes all over, slightly bigger ones, because I want there to be more orange than white. So that's what I'm doing here. And then I'm painting the blue. And once I painted the blue, which is Incubi Darkness to match the Souls of Brathnor chapter, I highlighted it as well. You can just see it on the wings as well. And then you get the really satisfying part of pulling off all the masking tape. And it's a shame I don't have a Patreon, because if I did, I'd put the full unedited version of that, and I'm sure you would all enjoy it. So anyway, that's what it looks like. Is it the best model I've ever done? Absolutely not, but it was a fun challenge, I guess, from a friend. Added in some extra details like the number and some kill markings on the front, changed the barrels slightly because you couldn't really see that there was different types of weaponry in the front of this. I had to put my own perspex in the canopy because the canopy was burst. Some nice details in the front. Unfortunately, my camera looks like it's a wee bit out of focus. I think it's the digital cams knocking off the tracker on the camera. That's what I'm telling myself anyway. That's what it looks like. There are 4 missiles underneath the wings, which are magnetized. So if in the game, if I ever play a game and I fire one of the missiles, I'll be able to just take it off and then I can put it back on later on. But yeah, I mean, does it look realistic? Of course not. It's digital camo on a space fighter. But I still think it has a pretty nice charm about it. Anyway, let me know what you think. If you've got any advice to help me get better the next time, let me know in the comments. Cheers. Bye-bye.